little too late to deliver the ball. No one is over here. YTA. Pelai kenukran. Through it kene mono RD block. Kusuk lampriu tomnai kai tharsana belai khana hamai marbo tini nogwarti bar belai khel ka hamke tomani bagai ki khairi ka hai noi YTA tui tomo bol segi nahar jaka monwar di block bai I don't have YTA. Lovely passing. Once again. Foul, but there is no foul by referee. Just a little bit under pressure right now. YTA bodol. Foul taklai jaka. I know hey. Once again, going to free kick opportunity for YTA Bodal from the dangerous area. Beautifully passing. Kisan kena supply to tension kiri. Players from Divisino. Belai naik ke. Belai ke naik ke sini tunggu. दोबारा मौका मिला YTA बदल तेजी से दौड़ते हुए लेकिन बॉल रोकने में नाकाम वहां पे Ayo hai Tumpla Jack tunggu 1-0 Purito 1-0 once again controlling himself Monardi block no chance green